Welcome back to Nora's Housekeeping channel. Today's topic is how to close a snack bag with a tool. Sounds like it's nothing to do with housekeeping. Actually, it is kind of a related issue. As a matter of fact, I use this technique at least once or twice a week. When we clean stayover rooms, we see opened snack bags on the table, on the bedside table, or sometimes on the bed. We change sheets, make bed, vacuum the floor, and we use spray when we sweep. I don't want dust and splashing to go into the snack bag. You don't want either. So I close the snack bag before I start cleaning. Here's my snack bag. Don't worry, I'll do it later. Hold both sides like this. Turn over. Hold. Can you see like this triangle? Flip over. Flip over. Let me try a medium-sized snack bag. Don't worry, this will be my snack today too. Hold both sides. Turn over. Hold. And this triangle. Flip over. Easy. Let's practice with a small snack bag. Don't worry, I will take care of all of them. Hold both sides like this. Turn over. Hold. And both triangle. Flip over. Stable. Now you can close any snack bags. It doesn't matter which side you start folding. This picture is an example of folding from the back. I prefer folding from the front like this picture so that you can see the package clearly. Next time, I'm planning to talk about the popular bottled waters for room attendants. I asked over 50 co-workers in the housekeeping department, so I will announce the top 3 popular bottled waters, then introduce interesting results and opinions. I wrote the information about the snacks in the description box, so please take a look. I hope you enjoyed my channel. See you soon.